There's a little guy. There's a little guy in my place. He's gonna go out. You can do it. He was behind my PlayStation 5. It scared the hell out of me. Oh, almost there. Oh no, wrong place. You think that's not alive anymore? Even I need to replace it. Oh, you can do it, dude. I have a little stick here with me. Ah, I have here a stick that I wanted to see if I can have it stand on it, and I direct him to the window. But I don't want him to get scared. Let's see. Nope, he went down. Hey guy, are you okay? Don't electrocute yourself, huh? The cable management is not the best. Can you fly to this? Can you fly to this? Here? Can you get up here? Are you a baby? You seem to be very baby. Get in here? I mean, maybe I'll just try to... Okay. There we go. There we go. Let's get you to the window. Don't fly yet. Don't fly yet. Oh, those are your shorts. Oh, there's like a mom or like another baby out there in the tree. Oh heck yeah! There's your family. There's your friend. You did it! Haha! Well, that was cute as